Hello there, Rob Jastrzebski with RJ Homes and eXp Realty here. And today's the day. We are now officially listed over here at number 30 Santa Fe Court in Fort Saskatchewan. As you can tell, we are on a nice quiet cul-de-sac, and you probably can't see this right now, but behind this home is just a green belt, nice quiet space, and it leads to several different parks here in the area. Now, this is a nice large home. We're talking over 2,500 square feet of living space just above grade. Plus, there's all kinds of space in the basement for you to develop if you so choose. We also have 4 bedrooms upstairs on the second level, plus this beautiful bonus room that's right above the garage. And there is still another room for you to use as an office on the main floor right there off of the balcony. This is an absolutely gorgeous home. You really have to check it out for yourself. Give us a call, 780-222-8222. Of course, we have all of the information on this home on our website at rjhomes.ca.